My name is Jimmy Lee Robinson Jr. Good energy. When I got this sign, I'm throwing good energy in the air. I'm throwing good energy in your car. My house in Little Elm, Texas, all the way down to Frisco, Texas. We thinking beautiful, baby. Get better, baby. That's my motto. Get better, baby. So when you see me out the street, I do like that, I pat my head like that. That means we getting better. We improving. When I get out in the streets, my friend, all I do is just walk out with a smile on my face with signs and just run out there and say, Lord, run me into anybody that need me today, because I feel good. I feel excellent. It feels good to go out here and bless somebody, to help somebody, to be there for somebody. I had wrote a bunch of these signs and I pasted them all over my house. These words that I'm looking at, that I'm constantly looking at every day, that keep me positive. Even though I was going through some tough situations, I was positive. Great day, great day, great day, great day. You pull the great day lever and you'll have a great day. Pull the great day lever. It's an imaginary lever you pull and give you a great day, my friend. If these signs can help me, they probably can help somebody else. Whatever you want in life, man, you got to go get it. You got to work hard and you got to see it. I was on a bus one day and I just put them up and I got a great reaction. I'm trying to tell them, get it off the chest. Get it off. Express yourself. And we thinking beautiful. In your mind. Monitor your thoughts, my friend. And then I walk in the street one day and I got another great reaction. I've been doing it ever since. I've been doing this about four or 5 years, my friend. We improving, we growing, we going further. We digging deeper, baby, we going wider. This is my purpose in life. This is what brings me joy. Getting in shape at the same time. Out here dancing. It makes me happy. This is how I keep my happiness. And then you see the smiling face that you see, it's like, how can you stop when you know you're making a difference in somebody's life, my friend? My name is Jimmy Lee Robinson. Do you love Frisco? Because I do.